How to claim voucher code in Binance. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can claim voucher code in Binance. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over and log into your Binance account, and once you do so you will be redirected to the home page. You need to have a voucher code that you'll have to claim already. So then you're going to click on your profile at the top left. Once you do so, you will be redirected to your profile. Here, you're going to search for the shortcut that says Rewards Hub. However, if you're not able to find it from here, you can click on More Services and simply search for Rewards Hub over here. So type in Rewards and here is Rewards Hub. So you're going to click on it and here you're going to click on My Vouchers. Once you do so, you'll be taken over to My Vouchers Rewards Hub page. Here, what you're going to do is simply click on voucher code at the top right, and here simply type down the voucher code that you have. And you need to know that each voucher code can only be claimed once per user. Once it is claimed, the rewards cannot be reversed. So simply type down your code over here and then click on claim voucher, and that's it. That is how you can claim voucher code in Binance. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.